Speaking at the second anniversary celebration of the Yobe State House of Assembly's 8th Assembly and the launch of its legislative agenda, Governor Buni assured his administration to providing all the necessary support to enable the State House of Assembly perform their function effectively. Represented by his deputy Alhaji Idi Barde Gubana, Governor Buni has emphasized the importance of collaboration between government and arms to drive people-oriented policies and development as he unveiled the 8th State Assembly's legislative agenda. He described documents launched by the Assembly members as a critical guide for the Assembly's lawmaking and oversight functions. Governor Buni expressed optimism that it will enhance service delivery and improve citizens' welfare, commending the lawmakers for their patriotism and dedication to Yobe's progress.
This noble effort is testament to the dedication of the House Assembly towards its legislative duties, which form an integral part of every democratic government. No doubt, such documents to promote mutual understanding and cooperation between the different arms of government for them to foster the implementation of people-oriented policies.
The governor noted that the legislative agenda aligned with his administration focus on continuity, consolidation, and innovation across sectors. He highlighted the state's 2025 development plan as the blueprint for these goals and called for sustained cooperation among the executive, legislature, and judiciary to achieve them. The governor congratulated the lawmakers on the agenda's launch, calling it a milestone in strengthening governance. The event concluded with Governor Buni formally unveiling the 8th Yobe State House of Assembly legislative agenda. In Damaturu, Yusuf reporting.